Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manuela, your host here, and as I said previously, this channel is mainly focused on theatrical makeup, character making, and basically how to extend your creativity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually make a glam Harlequin with some face art, which is very easy to do, and as well very easy to apply with just a regular duo glue. So if you fancy this kind of tutorial, you may consider subscribing to my channel and as well keep watching this video. In today's video, I'm gonna do as well some product reviews regarding Catrice brand. So I've chosen 3 of the most famous products. That will be the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, which states that it lasts for 24 hours, and the Liquid Camouflage Concealer, and as well a liquid black eyeliner, because I mainly use them for my drawings, and it's very hard to actually find some liquid eyeliner very good and very easy to work with. Okay, so I'm gonna talk you through what I'm going to do today. For the eye makeup, I'm gonna go with some Glam Makeup, which is very popular, with some bold colors, meaning I'm gonna use purples and as well some orange to create a very beautiful and very high contrast. And for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use some face art and as well some colorful contouring, which I really do enjoy making while I'm trying to be creative. And as well, I wanted to show you guys this famous rhinestones from the Gipsy Shrine, which I suppose they are the most popular out there, but I will never pay about 29 quid for this, because this is like the retail price. I've just found them on TK Maxx for 80p. Yeah, and that's more like it. And as well, I'm gonna use some of my face art and some rhinestones to actually achieve my glam face art Harlequin. For the rhinestones, I'm not gonna use them like just how, because they are supposed to be for chest. And yeah, I'm not gonna use them as they are stayed in here. I'm gonna use them, cut them in a different way and see how it goes. I prepared as well some face art for my Harlequin, and that I have a bra, and as well the triangles, which are very famous for an Harlequin. And I'm going to show you as well how to play with contrast all over your face. Yeah, let's get started. So first step, you need to cover your eyebrows. So make sure your glue is very dry, but if not, and you're not certain if it is very dry, then you can start adding an extra layer of powder. Okay. First step will be the concealer. So I don't really like the fact that it smells but too strong for me, but that's okay. So first impression is that it really covers very nicely. Still, the smell is too strong, like too strong. Next will be foundation, which is totally new. So as you can see, the coverage of this foundation is really amazing, but probably some of you already know this. So yeah, I really like it. as texture. I really like it. It is a bit too powdery at first, but probably if you have a mixed skin like mine, in a couple of hours it will look very nice. Probably if you have a very dry skin, in a couple of hours it will look too dry. I don't really feel like this product needs to be fixed with powder, but unless you want to, I don't know, have a very long wear makeup, then definitely you can add a fine layer of, I don't know, setting powder. So I'm gonna use as well the concealer for my to prime my eyes. And now the colors. So first I'm gonna go with some Vivid Brights from NYX, a purple, and an orange from Makeup Forever, to have like a colorful base underneath my colors. Try to tap the crease before you start. Okay, so first I'm going to mark my crease. Okay, so I'm gonna add as well some depth to my drawing, and I'm gonna go as well with something purple underneath. So there are two ways to continue my makeup. One is to go here with orange, and second is to go all over with purple and continue with orange. I will choose the first one for today, but just think of them as two available options. Try to extend as much as possible your carnival look. So next step, we are going to fix the color, the purple gel, with a purple eyeshadow. And I'm gonna start with this one in the corner. Second, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm gonna try to blend out the edges of my first purple. Next color, yeah, I'm gonna add on top of my arch some blushing pink. So my next step on this makeup will be to add some orange eyeliner as a base for my orange, and as well bronzy cooperish tones. On the inner corner, I'm gonna go with something very shimmery, and for that I'm thinking of something very, it's not copper, it's not golden, it's somewhere in between, and it's called Topaz, and it's from Maroon. As a fixer, I'm gonna use MAC Mist and Fix. I'm gonna dump my brush into and start here. And then again orange to blend out everything. Another very important step, it will be to add some brighter yellow, some brighter golden shadow on my inner corner. And now the moment of truth regarding the black eyeliner, felt eyeliner. This. The glue is dry, I totally recommend you to add an extra thin layer of eyeliner on top of the glue, because even if the glue is black, I'm thinking now at Duo Glue. It is a bit glossy, kind of in a fake way. And then move on to the next eye. So this will be my makeup look for the eye part, and starting from this point I'm gonna add some extra creative makeup. So if you are familiar with what it is a stencil, in this video I'm gonna use a simple, really simple stencil in a shape of a triangle, just a bit slightly bigger than the ones I already have and use for my makeup. I'm gonna cut a simple triangle from here, just slightly bigger than the one I'm using for my face art. So, kind of like this. This should be fine. As you can see, it's like slightly bigger. It doesn't really have to be the exactly same shape. So, because this one I will glue with Duo as well, I'm gonna start first with gluing the first triangle I'm gonna use. Okay, with some Duo. Like this. So just add it like so. It won't be here like forever, it's just to create the shadows. Like with some bright pinks. From that yellow I'm gonna add a yellow a bit more into the green side, if it makes sense, like a greenish yellow, and then some green. So after you think you're finished, you just take away this and you will have your perfect triangle. Make sure that when you apply it is in exactly the same position that you aim for. Some of my body art. And as well I'm gonna add some other shapes, holographic shapes, to complete my design. These ones. And actually the whole idea is to add more details. Okay, so all I need to do now is are the lips and of course my colorful contouring, and for that I'm going to use as well some colors from same palette which I've used also on my eyes, the BeautyBay palette 42 matte colors, which is absolutely amazing for my first impression. And as well I wanted to you guys to tell you that also the foundation from Catrice is amazing, and as well the eyeliner and the concealer. I will definitely go for them again because they are really nice. And as well I can tell that for about, I don't know, 1 hour time they are very in place. Okay, so the last part will be a tear from the Gipsy Shrine collection, and like this. Make sure you keep this for extra usage. So they state to actually peel them off, like not rhinestone by rhinestone, but the whole piece. Okay, so now I have also my tear and I can go with the lips. I'm gonna use NYX. So guys, this will be my final look for a Glam Harlequin with some face art, which is actually very easy to do, very easy as well to apply. In this video as well, I did some reviews for Catrice foundation, which is very famous, and as well I totally recommend it because it's very nice. And for my new really big love, which is the Bright Matte 42 color palette from BeautyBay, which they are really amazing and they will really help you to achieve very nice looks. They are very easy to blend, they don't fall out. I don't really use them all, but totally the ones I've used in this video, they are very worthy. Thanks again for watching. This is Dark Harlequin, and until the next week, stay safe, hugs and kisses.